Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald for those of you who don't know me, and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. For those of you who also don't know me, I was a professional ballerina and I still do ballet every single day in my job. So this is what a typical morning looks like for me. Today was actually Sunday, so it was my day off and I decided to do a little bit of ballet. So I obviously had some water, some coffee, and some breakfast, which I made these ancient grain oats with some cinnamon, maca powder, and chia seeds. The oats also had some amaranth, some quinoa, and some toasted rye flakes. I obviously needed my caffeine fix, so I made myself a cup of coffee from our Keurig, and then I cut up an apple to put on top of my oatmeal. I love having fresh fruit in the morning on top of my oatmeal, but if I do not have it on hand, I always make sure I have frozen berries in the freezer because they taste really, really good and it's a good source of antioxidants. As a source of healthy fats, I add some almond butter. I also added some protein powder in my oats for some extra protein in the morning before I dance. I am Canadian, so maple syrup is a must. I also love adding dates to my oatmeal for some extra sweetness, and then I of course top it off with some silk almond yogurt on top. Then it was time for my skincare, and I always do this first thing in the morning before I do my makeup or anything. Now my skincare I keep pretty light before ballet class because I usually have to wash my face after being so sweaty anyway, so I just add this serum from The Ordinary and wash my face beforehand. The leotard that I chose for today was this custom from Slinger Dance, and it is white. It has these little blue flowers on the mesh, which is kind of hard to see on the camera, but it is so stunning. I obviously paired it with a white, purple, lavender like see-through mesh wrap skirt. My ankle has been acting up a little bit today because I've been dancing so much, so I put a leg warmer on to keep it warm. Now it was too hot to wear warm up, so I didn't even bother with that. Then I went to go do my ballet bun, and I did a low bun for today with this brushy brush that is actually Steven's, so don't tell him that I stole it. And then after I did my ballet bun, I did a little bit of light makeup for the same reason, being that I don't want a lot of cakey makeup on my skin when I'm sweating, because I'll probably wash my face directly after class, which I did after, but I just did some light mascara, some eyeliner, and a little bit of lip gloss, and that was it. After doing my makeup, I added a little headband to feel a little bit more elegant and ballerina-y, and then I of course added my Majori earrings that are from the Block collection in the 14 karat gold vermeil. And then before I dance, I always roll out my back because I sleep really weird. I sleep on my side, but also twisted, so I make sure that that's in line again. And then I got ready for class by also warming up with these flex space bands, which you can use code Jasmine10 for $10 off your package of these bands. They are my savior. I literally use them every single day. You can even see me using them for my footwork and articulation, opening up my shoulders, stretching. I use them for quad stretches. I literally use them for everything, strengthening, stretching, you name it. My favorite band as of late has been the one that has the numbers on it, which I'll show in a B-roll in a second. And I particularly love using it to strengthen and stretch my middle splits because those are definitely a challenge for me. I'm not the most naturally gifted within my hip range of motion, so these bands have definitely been helping keeping me strengthened and stretched. So that was pretty much it for my morning routine. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this style video or what you want to see next. After this morning, I didn't really do that much. I just went straight to work and I worked until 9:30. So me voice recording this right now is a very sleepy and tired Jasmine. So I'm going to sign off right here, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next and if you dance today. And let me know if you have any questions, because I'll be doing a monthly Q&A at the end of recording this voiceover. So definitely ask your questions below. I'll also put a community post on. So have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now. Thanks again for watching.